Hi, I'm Lesley Logan, and let's talk swimming on your ladder barrel.
Welcome to OnlinePilatesClasses.com, the most supportive Pilates loving community across the globe. Enjoy new weekly classes from our amazing teachers. Download the OnlinePilatesClasses.com app today.
So swimming on the ladder barrel, it's again a mat exercise, and we've got a mat here, so let's see what we learn from it. I wanted you to explore this here on your ladder barrel when I was creating the flashcards for OnlinePilatesClasses.com for the barrels deck, because a lot of times people rock side to side with their swimming, and I wanted you to see how long you should be. And so it's a great place to kind of see what's going on, but then make sure you go back to swimming on your mat, right? So you want to get on where your center is supported by the barrel. Okay. And there's really no beautiful way to get on sideways. So you just do. So I like to make sure that my pelvis is on, right? And then your arms reach long, your legs reach long, and then you lift everything up and you swim. Now I'm pulling my pubic bone to the barrel so I can get my lower back long and I can work the extension in the upper back. And it's really forcing me to work my legs long out of my center so that I don't rock side to side. Because if you rock side to side, you're going to fall from one side or the other, right? It's fun. And my goal is that you can actually just see oh, how does this feel different than on the mat? What am I using differently? So we have this whole amazing system that we get to work with that helps us make the mat work better. I mean, that's what Joseph Pilates gave us all this equipment. So we do the mat work better. So give it an exploration and then check out your mat. See how it goes. Let me know in the comments below. Let me know your aha moments. Let me know your questions, takeaways. We actually go live on Sundays at 9 a.m. Pacific time answering your questions, so I'd love to answer yours. We also give feedback on form if you're an OPC member, so make sure you go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/YouTube so we can give you personalized attention on your form.